Here we go, guys. Shad dart to the swivel to have half-ounce weight. You might want a bead. Other than that, that's the whole setup for shad. All right, first cast, first cast. Oh, no, 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 no. A little further than I thought.
You got waders, right?
In the car. That's a long way up there. Why? And I'm already wet. I think.
Looks like it.
Yeah, I think I do. Oh, it is one. That is a fish. First cast. You see that, Omar? Look at that rod, dude. Hey, first cast.
Wait, haven't we done it an hour?
First cast. You saw that? That was all first cast. Oh my God. This does not fight like a trout, huh? Come on, buddy. Woo! Let's go. Here we go, guys. On the green. Whoop. There it is. Yeah. Did you see that? Like, it was like, I'm like, okay. I'm glad I brought the ultralight though. Ooh. Second cast? Is that gonna be another fish?
Second cast.
I got hit. I didn't take it though. Darwin, you know you've caught more people today than the fish? Alright guys, countdown 1, 2, start the reel. You guys know these are good crab bait, right? I want to say if you're going to the ocean. Oh, I got another one. Second cast. Second cast. Oh my God. Stay, buddy. Ooh. Oh, here we go. Oh, let's go. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Come on. Come on. Sorry. I don't have enough backbone on this rod. Come on, buddy. Let's go this way. Now, powering this guy in. You guys see the bend on that rod? Oh my God. battling a shark over here. Ooh, come on, buddy. You're already at the bank. You're already at the bank. You're already at the bank. You're already at the bank, son. You're already at the bank. Ah. Look at this, guys. Second cast. First second cast. It is, man. All right, guys, first cast. First cast. Then you let it sink for 2 seconds. You start to slowly reel. Fish. No. Oh my God, that's a fish. That's a fish. You see, guys? I'm a professional. I'm a professional. Professional angler here. Oh my God. Oh my God. It hurts. No one wants them. You guys see this? 3 casts, 3 fish. Oh my God, oh my God. Get off of my line! Oh my God. No, you are on. Oh my God. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh my, I'm battling a fish here, sir. Oh my God. Dude, this is so fun on this ultralight. Can I get this fish in? Oh my God. My arse tired. Oh, I got him, I got him, I got him. Guys, if I lose this fish because of this a-hole, I'm gonna be mad. Come on, buddy, you're already at the bank. You're already at the bank. Woo. I just cast it out. Didn't turn on the GoPro. It's probably gonna be fourth cast, guys. 4 fish coming up. Oh, there you go. You got me, I got a fish. I got a fish. Over here, come fight this thing. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's like in everybody's line. Or is that? Oh, that's somebody over there? Oh, my bad. I thought it was a fish. First cast, boys, first cast. Boom, let it sink 2 seconds. Start the reel, slowly reel. Either that's another fish. Oh, that's gotta be a fish, or I hook somebody else. Omar, here. Here. You want this. Yeah, you want this problem. You want this problem. Hurry, Darwin. Oh, left hand. Yeah. Oh, Oh no, you might have snagged with somebody else again. Unless it's that guy. Is it a fish or no? I think he would have came in by now. It might be that guy. Chapstick, boys.
So you're gonna snag onto someone else and hand me the rod to right at that. Oh no, never mind.
It felt good.
It's dead to fish. Dang, dude. Oh, when it gets close to shore, that's
Dude, you gotta hold the rod up and it hurts. Get the rod.
I can't even hold the rod.
Bring him in. Oh, that's a good way to snap him off. Oh, he's running.
Yeah, man, that's a good time.
Oh.
That's beefy. Oh, that's a workout.
There he is, boys.
Hey, Marto, he's got two.
Does he?
Yeah, in his mouth? Yeah.
And one of those is mine. There we go. You got a fish?
Wait a second.
Oh, the cast was. I'm calling this. This cast is a fish. Calling it. Here we go, boys. Oh, I called it, guys. Called it. Called it. No? No one's gonna see that? How I called it? Oh, well, yeah. You called it. You just recast it. You called it and just recast it. I called it and now I'm fighting a monster. Come on, boy. Oh my God. As soon as they approach the bank, they just pick up steam. Oh, come on. Yeah, you're mine now, buddy. No! Good, quick release, quick release. Once again, guys, the yellow, green, whatever you called it. Let's double up, let's double up. That's a fish. That's a fish. You're good, you're good, you're good. You're good. That's what. You're good. You popped off? I know a guy like that. I think the bite cooled off, boys. Oh, never mind. Bites back on. Bites back on, boys. Bites back on. Oh, Jesus. Hey. SHAD, my new favorite fish. Coming your guys' way. I don't know if you guys know what it feels like to have a fish on your line. We'll go with the monster, boys. Ooh, you guys see that? You guys see that? guys, oh no, he's bleeding. He's bleeding. There he is. Go, run away. Run away. All right, guys, you guys remember. Omar, just take this rod, man. This rod is hot. It's hot right now, okay?
I'll do one. You can hook up to one. My fingers are too big. I had to like hold like a seat up.
All right, boys. We're gonna get these guys on their first fish ever. If you guys want to come book a charter with me, wow. Might have to do a casting lesson too. Yeah, my booking for charters are open. It's all bank fishing. You cast it like that too, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I just started mine today. Oh, here comes a fish, boys. Here comes a fish. I'm in the strike zone. I'm in the strike zone. Got no fish. Boom. Fish. Boom. Over here. Boom. I don't play around, guys. Catch me on Groupon. You snap my rod, son. You go. Oh, there he is, boys. That's a chromer. There it is. Here we go, guys. How many fish? How many fish have I caught?
It looks like 4.
Nah, 2 is. All right, this is like 7th cast, 7th fish, guys. I'm telling you, literally every cast. Oh, guys, this thing is threatening for the strike zone. It's threatening for the strike zone. Oh, nope, it's already missed it. And then he got some, Darwin killed some.
Yeah.
But you guys don't need a lot. Like you don't need a lot. You just need, here's the setup real quick. Need shad dart, 1/2 ounce weight, just on a swivel. But I had a great time. You guys don't need a lot to get out here. These are probably like $3 for a pack. So I mean,
Plus,
you can tell them.
You got 2 more weeks until the run's over, it seems. Get on out here.
That's pretty much it. Yeah.